more light, less light. Yeah, more light, less light. More light, less light. Hello. Today we're gonna play with the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. I've played with this before, but I wanted to try it out with my new technique using the Smashbox Photo Finish oil-free control primer. Because I'm really liking this combo. So I do my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and then I do this because I love powder foundations. I like the coverage that they give. It's a light coverage, keeps you, well, they're supposed to keep you matte throughout the day, but they don't typically me because I'm super oily. But if I use this with it, then it's a lot better. It's a lot better. So yeah, so I've used this before. You're gonna see when I swatch it, it's gonna be really dirty. But I wanted to try it again. So here we go, let's read. By the way, you're gonna see a lot of powder foundation reviews from me with this new technique. I am back in the powder foundation game, all right? e.l.f. Cosmetics powder foundation is $11. So we love that pricing. e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Powder Foundation is a primer infused pressed powder foundation that delivers a buildable coverage and an airbrush finish. Benefits: long wear, buildable formula with medium to full coverage, natural to semi-matte finish, creates an airbrush shine-free and even complexion. Great for all skin types with oil control skin concerns. Key ingredients: lock-on primer powder helps your product. I cannot read today. Like literally, am I not awake today? I think I need some more coffee. Lock-on primer powder helps your product last on the skin all day. Formulated without talc, phthalates, parabens, yada, yada, yada. How to use. Use included sponge to build coverage for an airbrush finish. Reapply as needed. I have this blemish that's coming in. I didn't put on any pimple cream last night. I should have. Do your skincare, kids. Do your skincare. So we have everything on. We're just gonna go ahead and put this on the face. Oh yeah, by the way, I got the shade medium. I do remember when I purchased this in stores, they didn't have very many shades. So this is probably a little dark and orangey for me, but once you blend it out, I don't think it's too bad. We're gonna see. Okay, gonna grab a brush. The other thing about this is that I remember is can you see that? I'm getting powder everywhere. This is dusty boots the house down. So you're gonna wanna like kick it off. I got it all over. That's just great. It is dusty AF, but I remember liking the product, so just do a little tapsies. Okay, we're gonna put it on half the face, see what it looks like. Okay, so that was one dunk. Done. Are we blended? So done, undone. Definitely evening out the skin tone. I don't know if it's doing anything under the eyes with the dark circle. A little bit. It's covering the dark circles a little bit. I mean, as much as a powder foundation. It looks really nice on the skin. It's pretty blurring and it's light. It doesn't look heavy, in my opinion. So this was one tap. Not bad, right? And I feel like it makes me look a little more tan. It kind of matches my, this side, matches the rest of my body, which is nice. I dig it. Okay, let me put it on the other side. I'll come back. Don't worry. Oh, she's dusty. So we have her all applied. I think it looks so good. I freaking love this. I look very tan right now. Here's the finished look. It's so pretty on the skin. It looks so natural. It gives like light coverage. It's like blurring. I'm liking this. You know the drill. We're gonna carry on with our day. We're gonna check in. We're gonna see how it does. I'll check in a little bit. Hello, we're back. And we're in the car and we're working. You know, this is my thing by now. So I'm just looking to see how this is doing. It looks so good. I am absolutely in love with this stuff. Like, let me get closer. So my nose, this area right here is definitely getting a little shiny, but I can powder. That's not a big deal, but everything else looks so good. So smooth, it's not getting oily. I've got coverage, it looks natural. I do look pretty tan, but it just, dude, this is an A, almost plus. That's what I'll say. A, almost plus. I think we have a win here. We have a solid win. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. Hit that subscribe button to check out all of my other videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I will link down below a playlist link to all of my other reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you used this before? And also what you guys want me to film and try out. I'm happy to try anything out that you guys want. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.